Yes. Good morning, Mr. Blackashine, sir. Miss Woodbrendan and Mr. Blackashine come because the last time Mr. Blackashine
You was a Obian man.
alright, I'm afraid of them. My mother said me love to talk to strange people.
Yeah.
So your man never tell you to talk to Blossom. Look how Blossom damn ugly. What's that? Ugly to cheat on Blossom, but actually your mother and your father never too pretty.
But look at Blackashine.
Yeah, look how him black till him teeth them shine. Blackashine, easy man. But sir, you come off a chat and you come off around the lesson. This would be to teach you, sir. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is how much that?
3.
3, sir. 3. Yes, I'm gonna test your guys' intelligence. I'm sucking up for this class. Yes, sir. Hurry up, sir. I'm right. You look like a Joe. Happy nice boy. What color? That is that tree. I'm waiting. What color is the green tree? What?
Green.
Oh, no. What? I don't know what. So now the man give me none. What was your answer as a matter of fact?
Green.
Sound so what? Green tree. Alright, next lesson, because it looks like pumpkin is the great one and colors. Okay, we're gonna talk about countries today, okay? Alright, where in Kingston can you find Montego? St. Catherine, sir! St. Catherine, sir!
What happened? This smells so man. What about
Alright, let's hear it. St. Catherine, sir! Yes, pumpkin! Yes, sir! Yes, very bright. Take a piece of my bread. So you look hungry. What is your answer now? Blossom!
Same.
You damn don't. I be the same.
Blossom.
Teacher, you're wicked. Mrs. Seaman says it.
I be the same answer. But teacher, we keep it true.
Gang. Hey boy, Javanans. Back with another video. I hope you enjoy because me think this is a banger, you know what I mean? Me no make a full video. Me think it's funny and you know what I mean? One clan I think I'm there with Blossom, you know what I mean? Blossom, tell him what the video. You don't know say Blackashine. Hang to the funny give them chill. Yo, guys, if nobody enjoys this video, me enjoy.
Oh, you know I laugh a little more? Yo, today, my friend Kyle admit that he...
Alright, brother. Gang. Yo, smoke up like button.
Don't
You know
follow
what I
me,
mean?
don't follow
Subscribe to my channel, share my link. You know what I mean? August 28th of my birthday, please man, 500 subs by then.
You
So you know what I
understand?
mean? Gang, one clan is team out.
You understand?